Hi Scholar, welcome to Post Scholar's channel. I want to believe something inspired or triggered you to watch this video. Don't worry, that which you seek for, definitely find it. Stick with me. So the title of this video is Algebraic Equation of Number Base, right? And we are going to solve just a question together. Now, the question says, if n base 5 all raised to power 2 equal 10100001 base 2, what is n? Now, definitely this is looking like an equation. Whenever you have an equation in between two expressions or two terms, automatically it has become an equation. So since we are dealing with number and letter, that's why we have algebraic. That's where the word algebraic comes from, right? So without any further ado, let's solve the question. Solution. Now the question says n base 5 all raised to power 2 equal 10100001 base 2. Now the major thing we need to solve is this n, right? We want to find the value of n, and take note, the value of n, the digits must not be greater than or equal to 5, right? Now, how do we solve this? We have the left hand side and the right hand side. So what we are going to first of all do is to convert the right hand side to base 10, right? Now, we know that our right hand side is 10100001 base 2. So we need to convert it to base 10. To do that, we simply write 10100001 base 2. Now, to change it to base 10, what I like doing first of all is to order it by saying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we are going to expand it in the power of its base, which is 2. How do we do that? We start by saying 1 times 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 till we get to 0. So let's do that. 1 times 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Good. Now we simplify. By simplification, we say 1 times 2 raised to power of 6. That means 2 times 2 times 2 into 6 places. That gives you 64. Then plus 0 multiplied by anything gives 0. So we don't have issue. 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 gives you, 2 raised to power 4, yes, gives you 16. So write 16 plus 0 times anything gives you 0 plus 0 times anything again gives you 0. 0 times anything again gives you 0. So let's just write it straight away. Plus 0 plus 0. Then plus 2 raised to power 0 gives you 1. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 0, which is 1. Now we continue by saying 1 times 64 gives 64, right? Plus 1 times, we don't need this, 1 times 16 gives 16, plus we ignore this, we ignore this, we ignore this, we ignore this, then plus 1 times 1 gives you 1. Now, when you sum up 64 plus 16 plus 1, you have 81, right? So 81 base 10. Now, we have successfully converted the right hand side to base 10. So the new equation will now look like this. N raised to power 5 all square equals to 81. So these are the new equation will look like. N base 5 raised to power 2 equals to 81 base 10. There's no need for us to write 10 because 10 is the normal number we know. Base 10 actually is the normal number we know. So there's no need to write 10. So just let's leave it like that. Now, what I'm saying is that this 101001 base 2 has been converted to base 10, which is 81 base 10, which is 81 rather base 10. Now, what do we do next? The mission is to find our n. Now, to find n, what we need to do next is to simplify n base 5. Now, we have raised to power here. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of this raised to power. So to get rid of this raised to power, we'll multiply both left hand side and right hand side by the power of 1 over 2. What do I mean? Let me write it. So I have n base 5, right, all squared equals what? 81. Now I'll multiply both right hand side by the power of 1 over 2. You'll see the reason why I'm doing that. Multiply the left hand side by the power of 1 over 2 and multiply the right hand side by the power of what? 1 over 2, right? Now if you observe this closely, you will see that this is saying 2 times 1 over 2, right? So 2 times 1 over 2 simply gives you 1 because 2 cancels 2, right? Now what's left here? We have gotten rid of the square that was actually here because 2 has cancelled 2. So what's left here is just n raised to power 5 at the right hand side. N base 5 equals, now looking at this, it has become 81 raised to power 1 over 2. Now next we continue, n raised to power 5, n base 5 not raised to power equals to this, looking like the law of indices. So the law of indices says if you have a raised to power 1 over 2, it's still the same thing as square root of what? A. So this is a law of indices which is applicable here. So automatically 81 raised to power 1 over 2 becomes root what? 81, right? So continue, n base 5 equals, what's the square root of 81? The square root of 81 is 9. Now remember, these are 9. This answer 9 is in base what? 10, right? It's in base 10. It's in base 10. We need the base 10 and let's write it. It's in base 10. But then the question asks us to find n, the value of n, and the value of n is in what? Base 5. So to find the right hand side, we need to convert 9 base 10 to what? Base 5. So let's convert 9 base 10 to base 5. To do that, we simply divide all consecutively by 5 until we reach 0. So let's do that. 9. So let's divide. We want to convert 9 base 10 to base 5. So how many 5 can you find in 9? That's 1, remainder 4. How many 5 can you find in 1? That's 0, remainder 1. So automatically 9 base 10 is now equals to, you count it up from the bottom, 1, 4 base 5. So you see we have converted 9 base 10 to 1, 4 base 5. So coming back to this, we'll now write n base 5, right, is now equal to what? 1, 4 base 5. Remember, we have converted n base 5. We have converted 9 base 10 to n base 2. We have converted 9 base 10 to base 5, which gives 1, 4 base 5. Now we have the same base. So base 5 and base 5. So automatically n also is equals to what? 1, 4. So therefore n is equals to what? 1, 4. This is our final answer. I hope it is well understood. We have come to the end of this video. So whenever you see questions that take this form, you should be able to solve it. God bless you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.